Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial, how to reset your cPanel password in 2025. If you're managing a website, cPanel is your go-to control panel for handling everything from emails to file management. But let's face it, we all forget passwords sometimes, and that's okay. Resetting it is straightforward and secure. By the end of this video, you'll have your access back in no time. So, grab your device, and let's get started. First things first, what is cPanel? It's a web-based interface provided by your web hosting service that makes it easy to manage your website. Now, if you've forgotten your password, don't panic. The reset process is designed to be user-friendly. Start by heading to your cPanel login page. This is usually something like your domain.com/cPanel or through your hosting provider's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Forgot Password or Reset Password link, typically found below the login form. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your cPanel username or the associated email address. Make sure it's the correct one, as this is how you'll receive the reset instructions. After submitting that, check your email inbox, junk folder included, for a message from your hosting provider. It should contain a secure link to reset your password. Click on that link, and you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new, strong password. Remember, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you've set your new password, go back to the cPanel login page, enter your username and the new password, and voila, you're in. If you run into any issues, like not receiving the email, double-check your spam folder or contact your hosting support for help. There you have it, folks. Resetting your cPanel password in 2025 is quick and hassle-free. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.